Hello, everyone. I hope my social media family is doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how to take care of your skin this summer with just a few simple ingredients right at home. You can also turn this remedy into a spray or a cream, or even use it as a pore minimizer. It helps reduce pigmentation and dark spots, and there are many ways to use it. I'll share my personal method today, a fantastic treatment for your face, hands, feet, and even your neck. In fact, signs of aging often show more around the neck and hands than on the face. So let's learn how to take care of them all without breaking the bank. You've probably heard of this ingredient before, but today I'll show you how I use it effectively. I'm talking about alum. Yes, the same one our elders used as an aftershave. It's a powerful antiseptic and a natural remedy for skin irritation, itching, and summer dryness. Here's what I would have done. I first crushed the alum into small pieces and heated it gently to evaporate its water content. Spread it out so it puffs up. It should look light and dry once ready. A tip: when you're heating mineral ingredients like alum or salt, avoid using regular kitchen pots. I suggest using a cast iron tawa, griddle, or a heat-safe container like I do. It doesn't have to look perfect. What matters is that it gets the job done. Once the alum dries and puffs up, let it cool. You'll notice the water content is gone, and the texture becomes light and powdery. This is exactly what we want. Next, we'll add the second key ingredient: almonds. I've taken 7 soaked almonds. The more you soak, the better they blend. You can grind them with a traditional stone grinder or use a blender. Almonds are excellent for nourishing your skin. Then add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, a soothing, cooling agent that also helps bind everything into a smooth, creamy texture. Aloe vera also helps control summer sweat and soothes sun-damaged skin. Make sure your tools and bowls are completely dry. Any moisture can affect the quality of your cream. I'm transferring the paste into a container so you can see the consistency. Look at this beautiful creamy texture. Now, some of you might be wondering what type of almonds you should use. Desi, American, or wild apricot kernels. You can use any, even apricot seeds that are common in northern regions. Eat the apricots and save the seeds. They're packed with skin benefits. Once the mixture is creamy, we add the star ingredient, our powdered alum. About 1/4 teaspoon is enough. Mix it well. This natural DIY cream helps with enlarged pores, dark pigmentation, freckles, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's not a scrub, but a gentle cream you can even use as a night treatment. Ensure the almond paste is finely ground for the best texture. Apply it just like a cream. Clean your face first, then apply a small amount like a serum. You can leave it on for 10-15 minutes and wash it off, or apply it overnight for deeper nourishment. Use it on your neck, hands, or anywhere you see signs of aging or dryness. If you're going to an event in the evening, apply this 2 to 3 hours before. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, wash with plain water, and follow with a bit of icing. So that's today's easy and effective skincare remedy. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. Before you go, a small request. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel. If this remedy could benefit someone you know, don't forget to share it with them. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay glowing. Take care. Bye.